Contracts that move money automatically without people. How do smart contracts work? Why are they so important, and how can we better understand them with real-world examples? Want to know how? Stick with me until the end of this video. What is a smart contract? Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating technologies in the world of cryptocurrencies: smart contracts. Let's start with a simple definition. It's a computer program or code that runs on a blockchain and automatically executes an agreement when certain conditions are met, without the need for any third party or middleman. Example: let's say you want to send your friend 1 Bitcoin, but only if a certain condition happens. For example, when Bitcoin's price goes above $30,000 with a smart contract, this transfer happens automatically, without any intermediary and without you needing to trust each other. Smart contracts consists of several key parts. Program code contains the logic of the contract, conditions and rules to be followed. Virtual machine, the environment where the smart contract runs. Date and state, where the contract's information is stored on the blockchain. Inputs, aka triggers, external data or transactions that activate the contract, such as Bitcoin price or your transaction. Practical examples. Let me give you a few practical examples so the idea becomes crystal clear. DeFi, decentralized finance. In decentralized lending platforms, you can lend or borrow money without a bank. All of it is managed by smart contracts. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. When you buy a piece of digital art, ownership is guaranteed and transferable through a smart contract. Blockchain games. In games like Axie Infinity, rewards and in-game assets ownership are handled entirely by smart contracts. So today we learned what a smart contract is, how it works, where it's used, and the challenges it faces. If you found this interesting, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so I can bring you more educational content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to help. Until the next video, stay smart and goodbye.